I don't get how parrots work. The bird, I don't understand them. Parrots, they sound exactly like us. They don't have lips. You try saying Polly without your lips. Yeah, you can't do it. You can't do it. You sounded ridiculous, all right? You can't do it. Even if you could do it, though, they also don't have vocal cords. They're the devil, okay? Parrots are the devil, okay? Because they don't just sound like us. They sound like anything they want to. Okay? I was walking my dog past a parrot cage, as you do, and the parrot meowed at my dog. It meowed at it like a cat, like a meow, like a cat. And my dog looked up at it like it was one of those stupid dog tricks, like a burr, you know? And I was laughing because it couldn't process what it was seeing versus what it was hearing, you know? And I was laughing because, like, that stupid dog doesn't get that it's a parrot. Then as I was walking by, I heard the most beautiful sounding woman voice go, hello. And I did the exact same thing as my dog. I was like, huh? But I got his number because it's hard to date in LA.